In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete search history in Google Chrome PC and laptop. To begin, open Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the menu options at the top right corner of the window. Once Chrome is open, look to the upper right side of the browser. You will see the three-dot menu icon. Click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. This menu gives you access to many browser settings and tools, including your history options. After the menu opens, move your cursor over the History option. A side menu will appear. From that side menu, click on History again. This will take you to the page where Chrome shows your recently visited websites and browsing activity. When you are on the History page, look for the option that says Clear Browsing Data. Click on it to open the Delete History settings. This is the section where Chrome lets you remove stored browsing information from your device. After selecting Clear Browsing Data, Chrome will open a new window with options related to your browsing history. In this area, you can review what will be cleared before confirming your choice. This is useful because it helps you make sure you are removing the data you want. If your goal is to delete your search and browsing history, this is the correct place to do it. Take a moment to check the information shown on the screen, then proceed with the removal using the options provided in the Chrome window. These steps work well for most desktop and laptop versions of Google Chrome, and the layout is usually very similar whether you are using Windows or another computer setup. If the menu looks slightly different, the same path through the three dots and history section will still guide you to the right place. That covers everything you need to know.